What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're going right into today's video. I already got a head start on some of the stuff. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, go and check it out because that's what's leading up to today. So today we got everything started. I went ahead and took off all of the intercooler piping, the charge pipes, the old recirc blow-off valve. We already took off the front mount intercooler as well. We got the new Alpha street intercooler. See how much thicker it is compared to the stock ones, and the stock one's a two-piece. Actually, I can just pick this up. So you can tell already the bigger difference in thickness of the intercoolers and the piping as well. I also got the new Tial blow-off valves. I went ahead and kind of already pre-mounted them on the charge pipes, so we got that already taken care of. See if I can just pick this up as well. You can already tell in the difference in diameter. These things are gonna be looking really small compared to the new intercooler piping, so I got it in all black. Off the top of my head, I think these are the Boostlogic intercooler piping. These actually got off of another GTR owner. He bought these but didn't install them. We also got the shiny new Tial blow-off valve. I think this has the 11 psi spring built in it, and we also got the speed density kit, which are going to be changing from the map sensors to speed density, so that's going to be a difference as well because we are running vent to atmosphere for the Tial blow-off valves, so that's going to give like a bigger sound, a bigger whoosh. So we also got these things to install, and I guess nobody really talks about them. For the GTR R35, the stock blow-off valves, I'll just show it to you guys right here. So the stock blow-off valves actually have a return line because these are actually recirculating valves and not vent to atmosphere. Since we're converting from recirc to vent to atmosphere, we are going to have to plug off the return line. So I got these plugs from Seth. I went ahead and picked it up from him yesterday. So basically we're just going to plug it, and I'm just going to undo the clamp, and we're just going to clamp it back on just to make sure everything is tight, because I don't want any boost leakage or basically any air running through the car that doesn't need be. So the uninstall wasn't that hard, and I'm hoping that it's going to be the same for the install of the new piping, and hopefully we can get this in before lunch. So we're gonna have bigger piping coming down here from the charge pipes. So I think it's gonna come from here and angle down this way as well as over here. The stock ones kind of like round off along the side, but the way I see the intercooler piping, I think it's just gonna come in a little bit more shallow. So that's gonna look super nice, and it's gonna run all the way down in here and under this way, and it's gonna come out and go right into the new street intercooler. Now, truth be told, this Alpha intercooler, I've actually bought it, I think almost 2 years ago already. So back then I was looking to do a small turbo upgrade, and I was actually like putting parts together so that I can have the car push around 800 horse, and that's right around the max point for stock engine GTR. But the opportunity to do the wide body came up, and then for some reason just my gut said go with the wide body first, so that's what I did. So I've been holding on to this intercooler for the longest of time, and I'm super excited that we can get this on. And I guess I'll just say this now, I didn't get home from work last night till about 1 o'clock in the morning, and I told myself I was going to give myself 8 hours of sleep, and then we're going to go ahead and just jam everything out. But for some reason, I don't know why, my body just decided to wake up at 7 in the morning. So I had about 6 hours of sleep. I'm trying to not sound tired, but I'm a little bit tired, but I am excited to get all of this on. Also, shout out to AMS Performance. I figured I wear this shirt because I actually went to AMS Performance back in October of 2019. Got a whole shop tour. Super cool, super dope place. Huge shop, and it's just a cool atmosphere. And I figure hopefully I can run a little bit more Alpha stuff, maybe Alpha Omegas. I don't know, but that's a big project. But hopefully down the line we can do like a big Alpha kit on the car. And before we get everything installed on the GTR, if you guys could please do me a favor, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get post notifications. Again, I am posting a vlog every single Tuesday, and maybe I might post an extra vlog throughout the week, so make sure you guys hit the post notifications. Know that I'm dropping a vlog on Tuesday, and be on your toes because I might drop another vlog within the week. And to help your boy out, if you guys can please smash the like button for today's video, that way we can push this video out to as many people as possible. That way it shows up under suggested, yada. I think that's how it works. But if you guys can please smash the like button for today's video, I'll greatly appreciate it. And with that being said, let's get to work. And just like that, we have a new Alpha Intercooler, as long as the new charge pipes with the new Tial blow-off valves. The only problem that I do have is that the old recirc valves were placed right here, so that's why this line is so short. So I'm gonna need to get a longer line that'll connect from that end all the way to the blow-off valves. But other than that, guys, everything is installed. Don't mind all of the wires and all mumbo jumbo right now with the speed density kit, but I'll have that all tidied up before we send it to the dyno. I think that's pretty much it, guys. Everything was tightened down as much as I can. Not gonna lie, the clearance from all the piping was very, very, very tight, so I just had to make sure everything was shimmied in. But everything is all good. I do have to also just put the front crash bar right above over here. Nothing else left to do. Also, shout out to Shep Trans for sending me the Dodson Motorsport gasket for the trans. I can't believe I forgot to order the gasket for the transmission, so I had it shipped next day air, and thank you to Shep Trans for sending that in. But she's just about ready to be dynoed, guys, and I'm very, very, very excited. Now, I can't get the car started until I have a new baseline map, because we're switching from map sensors to a speed density. So this speed density, we're running on a 4-bar, and in order for me to drive the car, I do have to get a baseline tune, so I'll be waiting for Seth to do that. But I know a couple of the other GTR guys are getting their cars tuned literally right now down the street. I can literally hear all the guys' exhaust going off, and it's just crazy, and it's only getting me more excited. But other than that, guys, I have nothing else. I have nothing else to do on my end. Everything else is gonna be done with the professionals, and we're almost there, guys. Crossing our fingers that we hit over 600 horsepower. But hey, we gotta get this done. I'm super excited. I'm just having to take a look at the engine bay now. It looks so much more nicer. All black piping. We still gotta change this out, but I'll just do that later when we're done with all the dynoing. And the new Alpha Intercooler, like, that is so nice. I could have gone with the race intercooler, but for the purpose of what I'm driving for, the street intercooler works perfectly fine. And man, this thing looks so much better. I love it already. So I just got back home and I was just about to start editing, but I forgot to do today's outro. But anyways, if you guys haven't done so, please make sure you guys like this video, drop a comment down below. And if you guys haven't, subscribe to the channel. You guys know that I'll be putting out videos every Tuesday. I might even post an extra vlog throughout the week. So make sure you guys hit the bell, hit the post notifications as well. But yeah, everything's pretty much set and ready for dyno tomorrow. So I'm going to be vlogging that as well. The only thing that I do have to take care of though is finding an extended line that connects from the blow-off valve back to the manifold, because the relocation, it makes it a little bit longer, so I have to find a longer hose for it. But other than that, we're pretty much set. We do have to do some minor adjustments to plans, but I'll explain that in the next vlog. So be on the lookout for dyno day, and this is a day that we've been looking forward to for the longest of time. I wasn't planning on doing it this week, but hey, since Seth, our tuner, is actually physically here on the islands and actually going to be tuning our cars, might as well just do it. So thank you guys again for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.